distinguished speakers, senior faculties, staff members of BIMTech. Uh, it gives me great pleasure and I am honored to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Manoj Parikh, faculty member of Insurance Business Management Program, uh, would propose a vote of thanks. It is said all good things come to an end, and so has this event today. But before we say a goodbye, it is so very important to share our gratitude to all who made this event possible. So I would like to begin by thanking Mrs. T.L. Alamalu, member of Non-Life Insurance IRDA, for accepting our invitation as a keynote speaker and giving us a very engaging speech. I would like to also thank Mr. Saket Khetan, Senior Partner, Khetan Legal Associates, and Member Board of Governors by setting pace and tone for the event with his theme address and encouraging us with his humble presence and good wishes. Thank you, Mr. Khetan. Thank you, sir. Uh, on behalf of BIMTech, we were today very happy and honored, uh, uh, you know, Mr. Nasir Chaudhary, who's the founding managing director of Green Delta. He accepted our award and we thank him again for that. My heartfelt thanks to and gratitude and respect for all our panelists. We had a long list and we had 3 themes. So we had around 14 speakers with us, all distinguished speakers, Mr. DVS Ramesh, Mrs. Farzana Chaudhary, Mrs. Malti Jaiswal, Dr. Bhavtosh Mishra, Dr. S. Prakash, Mr. Rakesh Jain, Mr. Sanjay Datta could not attend today, Mr. Sanjeev Jha, Mr. Tapan Singhal, then we had Mr. Anirban Guha Roy, Mr. Rohan Kumar, Mr. Vijay S. Rangunathan, and Mr. Saurabh Chatterjee. In particular, the theme we had, the first theme we had, there were a lot of learnings for all of us, and we thank the panelists for sharing their precious time with us and enlightening us and giving a conceptual understanding of things. So the first theme we had was challenges from COVID-19 for the health insurance industry. We had so much to learn. Mr. Prakash is who's the CEO of Star Health and Allied Insurance, enlightened us by bringing out the need for innovation and the future for pay for performance insurance. We had CEO and MD of Green Delta Insurance Company, Mrs. Farzana Chaudhary, who gave us an insight is what is happening in Bangladesh in micro insurance side, the Swasthya Sukhi movement and how it is covering people in Bangladesh. Then we had the second theme which talked about business continuity. So again, we could gather a lot from there as well. We had the golden words from Mr. Tapan Singhal that insurance is all about we get paid to do good. So that is something brought about. We get paid to do good and we are doing good and insuring people. We had Mr. Rakesh Jain, who's coming with a concept of technology with the heart. So we thank all the speakers, Mr. Jha there as well. And the last theme we had about InsurTech, how the marriage of InsurTech and insurance coming together will change the face of the insurance industry in time to come. Next, I would like to thank the guiding light of this event. Mr. Harvansh Chaturvedi, our director of BIMTech, for inspiring us, supporting us to conduct this event. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And this vote of thanks would not be complete without expressing my gratitude to all the staff members of BIMTech, all my colleagues, senior faculty members, and team members of Insurance Business Management Program who devoted their time and energy for successful conduct of the program. Thank you all. Then I wish to thank all the participants who accepted our invitation from all parts of India. We had a number of participants and delegates from abroad as well. Thank you, all of you, for coming to this virtual event as an audience. and participating in it. And I wish to thank the backbone of our institution, the BIMTech students who participated in large numbers. Thank you all the students for coming and participating. This would not have been possible without your active participation and involvement. So it's hard to say goodbye, but I would say that beautiful memories of this colloquium will remain with everybody forever. And I sincerely apologize if I forgot acknowledging anybody in the list. Thank you once again. Thank you all. Thanks.